Good morning, student. Myself Aman. I am going to teach 6th standard history subject, and the chapter name of history is a Mesopotamian civilization, and the next topic of this chapter is a religion of the Mesopotamian peoples. The Mesopotamian peoples mainly believed in many gods and goddesses. They worshipped different forces of natures like Enlil, Enki, Marduk, Ishtar, and Nabu. And each city had its own god, and a ziggurat was built in his honor. And Mesopotamian people believed that there is a life after death. So they buried their dead bodies with the objects that they have used after the death. So mainly they worship the different forces of nature. Second, occupation of Mesopotamian peoples. Agriculture was main occupation of the people, and farmer mainly grew barley, corn, dates, fruits, and vegetables. They had good system of irrigation to ensure regular supply of water throughout the years. And metal workers like blacksmith and goldsmith, they were perfect in their art and work. They domesticated animals such as sheep, goats, donkeys, and cows for their domestic purpose. And they have trade relationship with many countries including India also. The next one is a trade and commerce. During the Mesopotamian civilization, both internal and external trade flourished on a large scale. They traded with India, Egypt, and Mediterranean countries, and traders kept their records on clay tables. So it means that Mesopotamian people or civilization have a great knowledge about trading system, and they have a strong religious beliefs, and agriculture was their main occupation. The next topic of same chapter is a script and literature that was developed during the Mesopotamian civilization. So under the Mesopotamian civilization, the Sumerian people developed a new system of writing known as a cuneiform. That was a script that is a wedge shape, means like a nail shape. It was written from right to left side with the pen made of reed or bone called a stylus, means a reed of wood. The script was deciphered, means a read out. First time that script was read out by Henry Rawlinson, a British officer. And the Mesopotamians wrote on a clay tablets like a stone slab. So the tablets were then baked. After writing, the tablets were baked, and each tablet formed a page. So that was a script and literature developed by the Sumerian peoples or Mesopotamian civilization. First one, cuneiform, that was a wedge shaped, and it was firstly read out by Henry Rawlinson, a British officer. Next topic is a Hammurabi Code of Laws. The greatest king of Babylon was Hammurabi, and he was famous in history for his code of laws. He suggested different punishments for those who committed an offense, means different punishment for different crimes and offense. The punishment depended on the nature and circumstances of crime, means what is the nature of the crime and what is the situation and conditions of crime, and the position of the offender in the society, means he was a king, he was an officer, he was a lower man, middle man, or a common man. And these laws were 282 in number and written on both sides of an 8 feet high stone. That is a stone where was written. So it was placed in the temple of Marduk, the sun god. So Hammurabi, a great king of Babylon, was famous in the history for his code of laws. The next one, a decline of the Mesopotamian civilization. As we know that Mesopotamian civilization flourished near in between two rivers, Euphrates and Tigris. So Euphrates rivers, which was the lifeline of the great civilization, which provide a source of water, transportation, and communication to the Mesopotamian civilization, it changed its course, means its way. So people migrated to the other areas in search of water, in search of communication, for communication and transportation. And the second thing is that the forces of nature eroded and buried this great civilization. So Mesopotamian civilization was declined near about 1600 BC to 750 BC. So that was about the Mesopotamian civilization. So thanks and have a nice day.